Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Grinch. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Grinch face, let's begin with the eyebrows. So I want to start right here, and I want to begin by drawing a line that's going to go kind of curve around, and then we're going to come up and down. Now we want to do the same thing here, just going the other direction. So we're just going to kind of curve it in, we're going to go down, and then up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down here. And we'll do the same thing, we're just going to go up and down, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Then I just like to color in the eyebrows really quickly. Now once we're done with that, starting underneath the eyes, I'm going to draw a little line that curves with another little line that curves over here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve down, and another one that's going to curve down here. We'll do the same thing here, we're just going to curve down, and I'll curve down right here. Then inside of here, let's make another little circle shape inside each eye. For the nose, I'm going to draw a little curved line here with a little curved line here. Next we'll make a line that goes up and down. Once you're done with that, we just want to draw a line that's going to go down and then up for the nose. Now right here at the end of the nose, let's draw a little line that's going to come down. Next we want to make his big smiley face shape. So we want to start up here, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down here. So we just kind of go out and then bring it right to this line. So we want to start here by drawing a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come to here. And this time we'll just kind of go the opposite way. We'll go up and curve it out here. At the end of these, we want to make a little sad face shape for some detail. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up, and a little line that's going to curve up here, and I went right through the eyebrow. Now we're going to make his cheeks. To do that, we want to draw a line that goes out, and then we're going to put a little point on it, and we're just going to do this a couple times. Do the same thing over here, we just kind of go out, and then we bring it back in, and we make these little tiny points on here for his furry cheeks. Next I'm going to bring this line down here, and then I'm going to bring it right up here, and I'll make one more little point on here. Now the next step is to draw the Grinch's hat. So to do this, we just want to make some pointy, bumpy lines that come across the top. Then I'm just going to make some more bumpy lines that go right across here, and I'm going to bring them down underneath this line. Now for the hat, all we want to do is draw a line that's going to come up. Then we're just going to bring it down here. Next we're going to bring it back up. I like to add just a little curved line here. Next we just bring this down. Then right here we're just going to add some bumpy little lines for the little ball on the hat. Then I like to add just a extra little line or two up here just to really show where his eyebrows are. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Grinch face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.